7:28 a.m., 2 minutes to launch. The only word to describe the launching of jet planes from the deck of a carrier is incredible. There is a wind blowing of 30 miles an hour or more. The air is filled with steam, and the noise is literally ear-shattering for anyone whose ears are unprotected. The planes themselves are lethal. The intake can suck a man into the engine. The jet blast can blow him overboard. Every movement represents a threat. The planes are fired alternately off each of the two catapults, one plane every 30 seconds, or less. The crew for each catapult consists of 5 men, 3 at the front, 2 at the back. The essential procedure is simple. A cable, called a bridle, is attached to the plane and to the shuttle, the protruding tip of the huge catapult underneath. The catapult officer touches down, and the shuttle shoots forward, dragging the plane behind it. Once the plane is off, the bridle is returned, and the next plane moves up. This is Kenneth Wilson, the holdback man. His job is to fasten the tension bar to the tail of the plane while the men in front are hooking up to the shuttle. Once the hookup is complete, the engines are turned up full, their entire power thrusting the plane forward, with only the tension bar holding it back. Then the catapult is fired, and the bar breaks. Gene Osborne, new on the job and having a little trouble. Richard Ralston, the safety checker, the last man out. Richard George, the bow runner. He puts down a ramp after each plane leaves so that the bridle can slide back smoothly. In addition to the work of the catapult crews, many other elements go into a launch.
Design number 407, weight 19.5.
Roger.
Most of the aircraft on the Roosevelt are jets, and when a propeller plane comes up on the catapult, it calls for special care. The hookup is essentially the same, but the method of approaching and leaving the plane is different. And a man who forgets can easily walk into a propeller.